हाय फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने चैनल आद्यंत ज्ञान में। इस चैनल पर आपको एजुकेशन के हर एक टॉपिक से रिलेटेड कंटेंट मिलेगा। तो अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और नीचे दिए गए बेल आइकन पर जाके क्लिक करें ताकि आपको हमारे वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन टाइम पे मिलते रहे।
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आद्यंत ज्ञान। आज से हम एक नई सीरीज़ यहाँ पे शुरू करने वाले हैं जो कि वीकली आएगी, जिसमें आपके 30 क्वेश्चंस होंगे। सेम वही 4 ऑप्शंस, 5 सेकंड का टाइम। और शुरू करते हैं हम अपना पहला क्वेश्चन। What is the name of the hackathon supported by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology which aims to find solutions for overcoming COVID-19 pandemic? Your options are A. Hack the COVID India, B. Hack Corona India, C. Hack the Crisis India, D. COVID Hack India. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is Hack the Crisis India. Next question. After the lockdown due to COVID-19, what is the estimated growth rate of India in the current fiscal as per the recent report of Fitch Ratings? Your options are A. 2%, B. 2.4%, C. 3.2%, D. 4.2%. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is A. 2%. Next. Which state has stopped the country in micro irrigation coverage in the financial year 2019-20? Your options are A. Punjab, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Rajasthan, or D. Gujarat. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. Fourth, as per a recent report, about 400 million workers of India will fall into poverty. Which international organization released the report? Your options are A. World Bank, B. United Nations, C. World Economic Forum, D. International Labour Organization. Your time starts now. Correct answer is D. International Labour Organization. Question number 5. Which union ministry has launched the revised version of Swachhata app to handle queries specific to COVID-19? Your options are A. Ministry of Home Affairs, B. Ministry of Human Resource Development, C. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, D. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is C. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Question number 6. Which space agency has partnered with NASA to host a deep space ground station to support human spaceflight missions to the moon, Mars and beyond? Your options are A. Roscosmos, B. JAXA, C. CNSA, D. SANSA. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is D. SANSA. Question number 7. Prime Minister Narendra Modi discussed with President of Mozambique to discuss the challenges posed in both countries by the continuing COVID-19 pandemic. Who is President of Mozambique? A. Philip Jacinto Nyusi, B. Yoweri Museveni, C. Muhammadu Buhari, D. Felix Tshisekedi. Your time starts now. And the answer is A. Philip Jacinto Nyusi. Question number 8. The Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi approved the MOU signed between India and Bhutan. What is the official language of Bhutan? A. Dozangoka, B. Gorkhali, C. Khaskura, B. Burmese. Your time starts now. And the answer is A. Dozangka. Question number 9. Which company became the first private company to fly astronauts into orbit? A. RK Space, B. Air Launch, C. SpaceX, D. Ad Astra. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. SpaceX. Question number 10. What is the name of first of its kind of digital contact tracing app utilizing the exposure notification API of Apple and Google and based on a decentralized approach to track the spread of coronavirus? Your options are A. Swiss Corona, B. Swiss COVID, C. Zurich COVID, D. Zurich Corona. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is B. Swiss COVID. Question number 11. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched which platform on 1st June to empower micro, small and medium enterprises? Your options are A. Champions, B. Empower, C. Atmanirbhar, D. Power. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is Champion. 12th question. Which has been appointed as Chairman and Managing Director of State-run Power Finance Corporation? Your options are Sandeep Mukund Pradhan, B. Ravindra Singh Dhillon, C. Nikesh Arora, D. Jagdish Dhillon. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is B. Ravindra Singh Dhillon. Question 13. India Observatory launched which GIS-enabled dashboard in collaboration with Forest Ecological Security as its main nodal point to help administrators, volunteers to plan urgent steps to get the stranded migrant population to safety? Your options are A. COVID India, B. Coast India, C. Care India, or D. Co-Care India. Your time starts now. And the correct option is Coast India. Question number 14. Who has been appointed as the new CMD of Delhi-based Oriental Insurance Company? Your options are S.N. Rajeshwari, B. Nikesh Arora, C. Ravinder Singh Dhillon, D. Jagdish Dhillon. Your time starts now. And the correct option is A. S.N. Rajeshwari. Question number 15. Which of the following is an non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature? Your options are A. Phosphorus, B. Bromine, C. Chlorine, D. Helium. Your time starts now. And the correct option is B. Bromine. Question number 16. Which of the following is used in pencils? Your options are A. Silicon, B. Phosphorus, C. Charcoal, or D. Graphite. Your time starts now. And the correct option is D, graphite. Question number 17. The gas usually filled in the electric bulb is. Your options are A, oxygen, B, nitrogen, C, hydrogen, D, carbon dioxide. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is B, nitrogen. Question number 18. Washing soda is the common name for. Your options are A, sodium carbonate, B, calcium bicarbonate, C, sodium chloride, or D, calcium chloride. Your time starts now. And the correct option is B, calcium bicarbonate. Question number 19. The hardest substance available on earth is A, gold, B, iron, C, diamond, or D, platinum. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is C, diamond. Question number 20. Tetraethyl lead is used as A, painkiller, B, fire extinguisher, C, mosquito repellent, D, petrol additive. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is D, petrol additive. Question number 21. Which of the following was to be discovered first in the chromospheres of the sun? A, krypton, B, neon, C, xenon, D, helium. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is C, xenon. Question number 22. Grand Central Terminal, Park Avenue, New York is the world's dash. Your options are A, largest railway station, B, highest railway station, C, longest railway station, or D, none of the above. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is A, largest railway station. Question number 23. What J.B. Dunlop invented? A, pneumatic rubber tire, B, rubber boot, C, automobile wheel rim, D, model airplanes. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is pneumatic rubber tire. Question number 24. When was barbed wire patented? Your options are A, 1840, B, 1895, C, 1874, D, 1900. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is C, 1874. Question number 25. What invention is created to the Russian-born American inventor Vladimir Kosma Zworykin? Your options are telegraph, B, radio, C, television, D, dishwasher. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is C, television. Question number 26. Who invented bicycle? Your options are A, Leo H. Becquerel, B, Evangelista Torricelli, C, Carl Benz, D, Kirkpatrick Macmillan. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is C, Carl Benz. Question number 27. The iron ore mined at Paladilla is mostly. Options are A, hematite, B, limonite, C, sodite, D, magnetite. and your time starts now. And the correct option is A. Question number 28. The Himalayan mountain system belongs to which of the following? Your options are A. Volcanic mountains, B. Block mountains, C. Residual mountains, or D. Fold mountains. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is residual mountain. Question number 29. The highest sand dunes are found in A. Sahara Desert, B. The Atacama Desert, C. The Kalahari Desert, D. The Gobi Desert. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is Sahara Desert. Last question, question number 30. The largest freshwater lake of Africa area-wise is A. Lake Tanganyiky, B. Lake Malawi, C. Lake Victoria, or D. Lake Rudolph. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is C. Lake Victoria. Hope you liked our efforts and see you next week with 30 more questions. Thank you.
अगर आपको हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें, इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए कि आपको हमारा कंटेंट कैसा लग रहा है, और अगर आप किसी स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक पे वीडियो बनाना चाहते हैं तो उस बारे में भी कमेंट करके बताइए। प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।